just got notified that they pushed something new to the Lol and Save swag shop. Awesome. So, how did I get this free merchandise? Great question. It came from the swag shop. Hey guys, Zach with Fast Tracks here with another Fast Tracks fact. As you can see, I'm surrounded by some of my favorite things, free merchandise. So swag, or stuff we all get, is generally manufactured promotional materials. So at Fast Tracks, with our Lol and Save solution, we give you the ability to work directly with the manufacturer to allow your customers to earn rewards and spend those rewards on swag. The way it works is you set up an item, and it can be a product or a coupon, and then you define things in the swag shop, such as how many points are required to purchase it, are there any restrictions such as an age restriction or a redemption limit, and then choose how it's going to be shipped. Are you going to ship it to the store, which is probably the most common, or is it going to ship directly to the consumer? And then as the consumer buys products, they're going to earn the points, and they're going to redeem those points for swag. So in this case with Zigzag, they can earn points whenever they purchase a qualifying Zigzag product, and whenever they hit the threshold, they can choose between a hat or a bag or a shirt, so on and so forth. It's a great way for manufacturers to advertise their brands and kind of give back to the consumer a little bit. Now traditionally, these are branded things such as the clothing and even the gift kit. But more recently, some vendors and manufacturers have pushed electronics like Apple headphones and Amazon devices, and these have become super popular. So what are you waiting for? Pop into Lol and Save and get your swag on.